In the previous video, we looked at written methods for dividing 2 and 3 digit numbers by single digit numbers. For 205 divided by 3, children will be saying, how many 3's in 2? 0, and carry the 2. How many 3's in 20? If we need to, we'll use Numicon. I can see 20. How many 3's cover on there? 6, remainder 2. How many 3's go into 25? Well, 8 3's are 24, and the remainder is 1. And then children will learn to give the remainder as a fraction, given the answer is 68 and 1/3. 1 being the remainder, 3 being the number divided by. Also, children are given questions like these too, showing an awareness of how each answer needs to be rounded in the specific context. However, when we're dividing by a 2-digit number, a different strategy is often used. Let's have a look why. 432 divided by 15. How many 15's in 4? None. Carry the 4. How many 15's in 43? Well, there's 2. And then I have to carry 13. Now, the children can struggle here. What are they supposed to do when the remainder is a 2-digit number? The long division method, though, really emphasises, we're looking for how many 15's are there in 432. Here's how it's laid out. First of all, I can take off 20 15's. I'm looking for the multiple of 10 first. That leaves me with 132. How many 15's in 132? Well, there's 8, leaving a remainder of 12. So to work out my answer, I work out how many 15's there were in 432, and then I have the remainder, which I can present as a fraction. That fraction can then be simplified. We call that method long division stage 1. I've left an example of the workings for it just here. We want the children, though, to move to long division stage 2, a slightly more efficient process. I start from the left-hand side of the number. How many 15's in 43? 2, and that's 30. Take away the 30 from 43 to leave 13, and pull down the next number, the 2. How many 15's in 132? There's 8, and that's 120 to take away, leaving 12. Now, I also pull down the next 0. How many 15's in 120? Again, there's 8. I put the decimal point in, take away the final 120, and that leaves me with 0. My answer, 28.8. Let's work through another example of long division stage 2. We lay the question out as normal. How many 24's in 30? 1. I subtract to leave 6, and I pull down the 3. There's 2 24's in 63, and that's 48 to take away, leaving 15, and I pull down the next 0. There are 6 24's in 150, that's 144 to take away, leaving me with 6. Here, I might recognise that my answer is 126, and 6 over 24, which can be cancelled down to 126 1/4. However, if I want to work my answer out as a decimal, again, I'll pull down the next 0. How many 24's in 60? 2, and that's 48 to take away. Pull down the next 0. How many 24's in 120? 5, leaving nothing left. My answer? 126.25. The children's understanding in division is deepened by giving them questions in a variety of forms. Here, the children need to understand that to find the missing number, you still need to do 346 divided by 13. In this example, children must recognise that they're looking for how many 1.5's there are in 7.5. 5. Then they'll have to work out what goes into 12.5 5 times. Again, children will be given how many ways questions, inverse questions, and reasoning questions to stretch their conceptual understanding of division.